Yeah, hi everybody. I just wanted to record this very quick video to kind of give you an idea of the best way for you to help me help you. I get a lot of requests. I'm up to 3,000 subscribers, so thank you so much for that as of this recording. Yeah, I get a lot of things, a lot of questions, people asking for help. I'm happy to do so, but I need you to help me. So here's an idea of what not to do. Okay, so I'm just getting like very kind of vague. Okay, something's not defined. My character's not moving. Page doesn't respond. I can't really help you without actually seeing all of the code. So basically, this kind of just wastes time because I always write back, well, please share the code. So what I'd like you to do is to include the exact error message. It means to copy and paste the exact error message, and then put the code into pastebin.com and provide the link. So let me show you what that's going to look like. So here's some very simple code. And what I'll get from people is, oh, I ran the code and it doesn't work. Okay, so let me run this, and you'll see down here an error message pops up. So what you need to do is just copy this entire error message and paste that into your response below the video, into your comment. So this will tell me a lot of information about what went wrong. However, I won't be able to see the code unless you share it on Pastebin. The easiest way to do that is just to copy it. Okay? And then if you go to pastebin.com, it's a free site. You don't have to sign up. You can just paste your code into there. Okay? You'll see syntax highlighting. In this case, it's going to be Python. So let's see if we can find Python in here somewhere. I could just search for it, but it's already halfway through. You can see they have a lot of different languages. Well, I didn't even know there were so many languages. Hit Python. Expiration would be never, so it doesn't expire. And public, this means anybody can access it because I'm going to need to access it. And give it a name. So it could be, let's say, Space Invaders, and maybe like week, say week 3, whatever, and then create new paste. And once you do that, okay, you can just go here and copy that link and paste that into your comment where you're asking for help. That way I can see the exact error message, and I can go in, I can download the code, and I can help you really, really quickly. It's better for you. It's definitely better for me. So if you could do that, I would definitely appreciate it. Okay, good luck and happy coding.